So this is the river that's next to the back paddock. Which then goes up here, and then on that bend there joins up into a creek. So they've had to cut all these trees, but they've left them hanging on by a little bit so they don't float away. So the plan is that these trees will re-sprout, which will grow shrubs or new trees. So now he's just tidying all the trees up that have fallen down the bottom, because some of them are quite low that got cut. This will prevent them being washed away.